Adlaw sa akong kinabuhi as an FS Observer Day 1. So let's have a get ready with me edition first. Hello mga ka-princess. So while getting ready, ganahan lang ko i-share how I felt sa akong day 1 and as an observer. So mata ko with a whirlwind of emotions like joy, excitement for the journey ahead. Yet, dili jud mawang ako kakulba kung sa akong i-expect. So, I set the alarm 5 a.m. But ako ang mind, wala siya na cooperate. And yes, I closed my eyes, of course, when I slept. But ang ako ang mind, kay very active kaayo siya. Like, daghan siya gunahuna, unsay mahitabo, unsay buhaton. Like, ang mo mga mix of emotions. So, mo na to siya, kulba. Kulba jud akong first nakuanan before at a day. Tawa-tawa lang ang princess pero nakulbaan na DIY pag doon sa school. Tumatong naabot na mi diri and timing kayo pag abot ako umaoy pagbundak sa uwan. So while waiting sa principal, nag-outfit check lang. Black shoes, check. Black pants, check. Polo, check. Hair, check. Hairnet, check. So pasara ko sa outfit check for today. So I am here now at my mentor's classroom. So mana ang first session ani guys, mana mga students. So we're having our lunch na kay mana man ang first session. So nag-lunch na pod ang mga observers. So nagkuy din sa mga kauban nami sa room namo. So I just want to share guys kung unsa ka welcoming ang school head dere. So nadyo siya mga words of wisdom nga gihatag namo. So he truly inspired us to dream big and envision ourselves as the future leaders we want to be. So iyang mga words can resonated good deeply sa ako especially iyang giingon nga take your dream at the tip of your mind. You know what guys, when I entered this classroom, na-feel lang yun akong anxiety, my hands were shaking, and they felt cold. So, clear sign lang yun siya guys, kung unsa ko ka, nervous. Yeah. But all of that changed the moment I stepped into the classroom. You know why? Because the learners were so welcoming, greeting me with bright smile, and that instantly melted my fears and replaced them with pure excitement. So, yung anak ko nakuan sa mga bata. So that's it, guys. So that's how my day 1 as an FS observer went. So let's see unsay mahitabo sa day 2 and for the upcoming day. So this is the end. See you.